Good morning guys, today I am back with another video. This video is about how to clean and protect your leather seats in a car. There have been quite a number of questions that how we protect our leather seats. This video will be mainly how to clean and protect your leather seats in a car. This cleaning process is specially for leather seats or the leather seat covers which you install from the market or the factory fitted leather seats. This cleaning procedure is not meant for fabric seats or fabric seat covers. I have already showed you a video dedicated how to clean your fabric seats in a car. As you can see, already the seats are 1.5 years old, and this particular back seat looks little bit cleaner, but the front driver seat, as we can see, especially due to sweat and I tend to sweat a lot on the back side. Already you can see that the it's showing traces of color fading. So the actual color was like this, but it's bit showing a faded color. So in order to restore all these things, I have procured a specialty cleaner. This is the particular cleaner that I have procured. This particular product claims that it is a 3-in-1 type of cleaner. It will clean, condition and protect. So you need not require one cleaner, then one conditioner, then particularly a protectant. Normally we require 2 to 3 type of products to do this type of work, but for this one will be sufficient. So let's see how the product works and whether it lives to its satisfaction. The cost of the product is around 950, but at a discount I perhaps got it at 650. I'll give you the links if you are interested to purchase this product. So let's start the project. And the product is Meguiars Gold Class Rich Leather. For this my project car is my tataaltroz. Before starting this project, I'll remove the loose dust with the help of a microfiber cloth and then apply this particular conditioner. So the seats are ready for applying that particular conditioner. Before applying this product, shake the bottle thoroughly, and as it mentions to use a soft towel to use this. And there is another caution is there, don't use it on any sweat type of leathers. For best results, it is mentioning to use a flip type of towel, so I will use a microfiber towel to clean these seats. Now apply like this. It is just applying like a shoe cream. Apply all areas, otherwise it will look bad. Some area will have a polished look and the other areas will be, some areas will have a polished look and the other areas will be dull. So apply generously to each and every area of the seat. After applying, wipe up the excess polish with the help of a microfiber towel. With the same towel, use the other side. All the leather areas. In fact, the gear knob also. In fact, it gives a soft shiny effect, not a glossy one, and I don't like that glossy one, so it gives a soft new look. Like this you apply to all the seats. This will not only keep your leathers fresh, but it will keep your stitchings and all these things intact actually. The same thing we apply to our leather shoes. The same concept is applied here. So like this I will do to all the seats, and then finally I will show you how it looks. I will also apply it to the steering cover, as this is a art leather type of steering cover, so it will remain the softness and also the luster will prevail. Do apply a little bit. In fact, this can be also applied to leather dashboards, or if you have some leather material in this door trim also, but here it is made of plastic. It can be applied, but it's meaningless to use this expensive leather conditioner to these particular areas, so I have restricted this to all the leather parts only. So all the seats have been completed. You can see a mild shine that's giving, and not only that, your leather feels a bit soft, and it promises that it will protect the leather from fading and cracking. So that cannot be ascertained at this moment because the car is considerably new. The rear seats also. So this is the dirt it has accumulated in 1.5 years. This car I mostly drive with air conditioner on, so dust accumulation is considerably less. Still you can see that black stresses over there. The actual color of the cloth was like this, and after cleaning it's looking like this. You can easily understand. So the product works as it claims. Yes, it's a bit on the higher side, the price is, but it's worth investing in this particular product. So this is how you can easily protect your leather seats in a car, and it's very simple and you can do it at home. If you have liked this video, please do subscribe my channel for more videos like this, because your subscription gives me encouragement to make more videos for you. Thank you very much and goodbye.